Good morning, everybody. Last time we have to explain or deduce or calculate or determine some numerical problem. So today I will take again some numerical problem. So number 2, a tuning fork of frequency of 95 Hz is sounded and moved towards the stationary observer with a velocity equal to the velocity of sound. Find the frequency note heard by observer. Again, I revise this problem. A tuning fork of frequency. You have to give one frequency 95 Hz in the problem. Sounded and move toward the stationary observer with velocity equal to the velocity of sound. Find the frequency of note heard by the observer. So first we have to write all parameters those we have to given in the problem. So first n is the frequency we have to given 95 hertz. V velocity 0 because here is velocity not given, so that is v equal to 0 and vs equal to 1 upon 20. This is 1 upon 20 and v equal to 0.05. So 1 upon 20 equal to 0.05. So here n dash equal to n into v minus v0 upon v minus vs. So we get 95 into v minus 0 upon v minus 0.05v. So we get n dash equal to 100 hertz. So n dash equal to n into v minus v0 upon v minus vs. This is the formula. And this formula when we have to write, so all these value, those we have to given in the problem, you have to put in this formula and calculate the value of n dash. So n dash is the frequency, n is the frequency and n dash is the frequency of the observer. So n dash equal to 100 hertz. Then next, a tuning fork of frequency 512 Hz produce a wave of 65 centimeters wavelength. Calculate velocity of sound in air. A tuning fork of frequency 512 Hz produce a wave of 65 centimeters wavelength. Calculate velocity of sound in air. So we have to given in the problem n is the frequency 512 hertz. Then v we have to calculate velocity of sound in air, that is v equal to question mark. Then lambda this wave, lambda that is wavelength, we have to give 165 centimeter, and this 65 centimeter equal to 0.65 meters we have to consider. Lambda equal to 65 centimeters equal to 0.65 meters. Then v equal to n lambda, this is our formula. So put the value of n equal to 512 hertz and lambda equal to 0.65 meters. So we get 512 into 0.65. So we get v equal to 332.8. And our answer v equal to 332.8 meter. So this is our velocity of sound in air, that is v equal to 332.8 meters. Next, a tuning fork vibrates with a frequency of 512 Hz is if the velocity of wave is 330 meter per second. Find the distance traveled in 5 vibration. We have to given in the problem frequency 512 Hz. If the velocity of the wave is 330 meter per second, and we have to calculate distance travel in 5 vibration. So in the given n equal to 512 hertz, v equal to 330 meter per second, lambda be the wavelength. We have to calculate vibration equal to 5 volt. Therefore, our relation between V, N and lambda, so that is V equal to N lambda. So lambda equal to V upon N. So value of V we have to write 330 meter per second. So V equal to 330 upon N equal to 512. So we get lambda equal to 0.64. Keep in your mind 0.64, this is the value of lambda, or lambda be the wavelength or distance travel in only one vibration, keep in your mind. But we have to calculate, find the distance travel in 5 vibration, keep in your mind. So this value lambda 0.64, we have to multiply it by 5. So distance in 5 vibration into 0.644, that is equal to 3.2 meters, because the 0.64 value is in one vibration, keep in your mind. And after that 5 vibration, so 5 into 0.644 equal to 3.2 meters. And this is our answer. Then a siren producing pitch of 500 hertz. A siren producing pitch of 400 hertz is moving away from the stationary. Observer with a velocity of 200 meter per second. The velocity of sound is 330 meter per second. Find the sound heard by the observer. Again, I revise this problem. A siren producing pitch of 400 hertz. This is the value of N we have to given in the problem. Is moving away, keeping your mind, away from the stationary observer with a velocity of 200 meter per second. This is the velocity we have to given, V equal to 200. The velocity of sound is 330 meter per second. Velocity of sound, matlab Vs, we have to given 330. And this is the value of V. Find the sound heard by the observer. VO we have to calculate. So now N equal to 400 hertz. Vs equal to minus 200 meter per second, because this value is away from the observer, not towards the observer, away from the, and therefore we can write minus 200 meter per second. Then V equal to 330 meter per second and V0 equal to 0. So N dash equal to N into V minus V0 upon V minus Vs. So N dash equal to N equal to 400 into V 330 minus V0 0 and V0 0 upon V का value 330 minus Vs we can write minus 200 meter per second. So our answer is N dash equal to 249 hertz, keeping your mind. So N dash equal to 400 into 330 minus 0, that is 330 upon 330 minus 200. So we get here minus minus plus, here is plus. So this value we can write here 330 plus 200 530, and N dash equal to 249 hertz, keeping your mind. So our answer is find the sound heard by the observer. So sound heard by the observer is N dash equal to 249 hertz. This is our answer. And therefore, student, any problem, any doubt, you ask me. So now I stop here. Thank you very much.